This week, we are going to be going through lesson six, the first part of lesson six, which deals with arrays. And before we get into our textbook reading and the lab assignment, you are actually going to share the game that you created last week, okay, the text-based adventure game, with your classmates. So you're going to come in to our discussion. And this discussion is addressing one of our learning outcomes. Students will demonstrate interpersonal communication skills while relating design decisions. So you are going to demonstrate your game. And while you're demonstrating it, you'll explain what the goal of the game is and how you determine who the winner is. So you are going to have to talk. This cannot be a silent video. And you can use whatever recording software you want. And you can even go to Zoom's site and host a meeting if you would like to do it that way. And I did include instructions for doing a Zoom recording. If you are not comfortable recording yourself, you certainly can come into our live stream class on Tuesday, the 24th. And everybody that comes to class that day will be doing a short little demo of their game, and I will record it. And then I will post the recording. I'll edit their reply and post the recording, into their response. And so you should be able to look at this. Let me see. I've got that. Not sure why that is not there. Let me leave student view here. All right. So here is my post. And I'll have to make sure that you guys can see this. It's my example. But if you play it, you'll see it's very short. It's only 3 minutes. So you need to post the video and then also a link to your game. And it can be a link to the CS file. Okay? And so to add a link to the video or to add the video, you need to upload the media. Okay, so if it's on your computer, you can simply drag it here. And then to add a link to your file, you click on attach. Okay, and then it'll let you go find your file and select it and open it, and that will add it to your page. Okay, so that is the first thing that you're going to do this week. And like I said, you certainly can come in to class, and I would be happy to uh, record yours for you. Okay, and then all you have to do is hit reply and add a link to your game, and then I will insert the video in there for you. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're going to do. Okay, then we are going to read only the first part of chapter 6. So you do not need to read the whole chapter. You're going to be reading pages 33 through 36. Okay, and looking at the coding examples, and those are the pages that cover arrays. And arrays are like little tables that you can store data in. Okay, and so this one video includes the information from the chapter, and then I also included the coding examples. So the whole video is almost 54 minutes, but you can see that at 26 minutes and 38 seconds, that's when the coding examples begin. Okay, so that is the reading assignment. And then your lab assignment. So you are going to complete the first two exercises. Okay, so there's a video on those two exercises, uh, and it pretty much walks you through what you need to do. So I would highly recommend watching this video. Um, it will walk you through each exercise and specifically tell you what you need to do. It'll go through all the directions so that there is no confusion about what you need to accomplish in this assignment. Okay, so make sure you watch the video and then you will upload those two exercises to this Dropbox. Now, after you go through the material, if you still are a little fuzzy on arrays, I do have some additional resource links down here that you can look at. And remember that I do have live stream office hours on Sunday evening, 7 to 10, Tuesday and Thursday from 3 to 4. You don't need an appointment. If you are confused or if you need help, just come in to the office hours. Okay. And the way you get in is you go up to home and you click on the live stream button. Okay. So hopefully you guys will enjoy working with arrays. It's one of the more complex data types that we have. We're kind of starting to get into those more complicated data types. And it's fairly powerful because you can store multiple values under a single name.